This video provides an overview of our patent pending content management system, and in particular we're going to look at how we can utilize that system to manage all the navigation on the portal. I've navigated to the page that will allow me to manage all the menu items for the non-authenticated user. And you can see them listed here. All these menu items match up exactly with what we have here. Okay. Now this is the non-authenticated cluster. It does not include the authenticated cluster because that's covered in a separate video. What I want to show you is the power of this system for very quickly managing all of the nodes in your navigation system. The first thing that I want to display is copying a current cluster to a new cluster in the node hierarchy. So I have our customers under About Us. It's not under the solutions, but it is under About Us. I want a copy of that underneath the solution node. So I'm going to go ahead and drag that up. And you can see that instantly that it was added and that it still exists underneath About Us. Now I want to change the position of this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm moving in directly under in sequence under the company videos. So we'll go back up here. You can see it doesn't exist. But now let's see what happens when I commit these changes. And I'm going to do a search in the tree. For compass. And I'm going to do a multi-select, and then I'm going to click the search button. And you can see now that in the tree all the commits took just fine. Now the question is, did it dynamically take the hierarchy data in the tree, commit it successfully to a relational database, and then dynamically update the entire navigation system at the same time? Well, let's find out. There we are. There's our customers. There's full compass. And here we are again. Now let's say that after making this change, you decided that you want to disable this. So I'm going to select our customers. I'm going to choose the disable menu item, and now I'm going to update this. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to disable all the nodes. So what you're going to see is that our customers will only show up in the menu navigation system in one spot, and that's under About Us. So let's go ahead and commit this. And now we'll take a look at the menu system, and you can see that our customers is no longer under the solutions. However, it still is under About Us. Next, I'm going to look at a little bit more of a refinement. I'm going to go to our customers, and let's say that I want to temporarily disable state of Wisconsin only. I'm going to go ahead and do that. saves. Okay. Submit this. And now you're going to see under our customers, state of Wisconsin no longer exists. Now, if someone tries to go to even a link, they're going to get kicked back because this page is no longer available. It's no longer else on the site. Okay, I'm going to complete this video by showing you just how incredibly powerful and fast that this is. I'm going to go ahead and do some things that, while they don't make sense from the standpoint that I'm going to leave it, I just want to show you how fast that this system is for building navigation systems. I'm going to take It's My School, and you can see the number of items under that, and under the Ajax, I chose to copy all nodes. I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy it underneath Windows Explorer. And you can see now that it exists here and exists here. Now, let's say that you think, well, wouldn't it be nice to copy Ajax and everything else here underneath, see, the training node. So we will take this and we'll copy that to the training node. So now you can see in the training that it's here, and you can see that it's here under the solutions. Let's go ahead and change its sequence. I'll go ahead and move that up a few spots. And we'll move it to the top spot under training. Now let's commit this. And there we have it there. Under solutions, though, it's quite significant in terms of the number of items that we have. Okay. I wasn't sure where it was. Okay. So you can see that it very quickly created the entire menu structure. Well, I hope this gives you an idea of the menu navigation system. I just have one last piece that I want to show you, the ability to restore. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick the last change that was made, and that would be here. I'm going to select that, and now let's see what we have. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to commit that. And now you can see that we're back to where we were before. So you can very easily restore back to previous versions of your trees as well. Thank you for your time, and please check out the other videos on the capabilities of our content management system.